Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode brought to you by Daniel UK. And in this episode we're going to teach you how to install all the APKs that you need on your Fire Stick with one easy application. I'll be straight back to it straight after this. Hi guys, welcome back. First things first, I've gone and done it. I've created an app market for you to use where all my APKs will be uploaded and updated on a weekly basis so you can use them at your own leisure. This will not need a PC to install. All you need to do is install these right on the Fire Stick. So let's waste no more time and get straight in and show you how to install them. Right, so we're here on the home screen. I've pre-recorded this, so I'm going to take you through it step by step. I'm going to talk my way through, and all being well, you'll all get it. Right, so first of all, we need to go over to the settings. We need to make sure that these items are switched on. This is vital for this to work. So we need to go over to My Fire TV. We need to make ourselves way down to the developers options. We need to make sure that these two are switched on. The AD debugging and the apps from the unknown sources, as you can see, the one below the USB. And then we're going back onto the home screen. We're going to make our ways over to the search option where we are going to search for Downloader. Some of you know how to install Downloader and maybe have had it installed before. So if you have got this installed, this will make it a little bit easier for you. So for those that haven't got it installed, do it this way. Click Download and install. So once this is installed, what you need to do, guys, you just need to open it up. Click OK. And in that section where it says HTTP with the 2 colons, we need to input filelinked.com. I will put this in the description for you guys that need it. And once that's there, just click search. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go down to download file linked. Click on that. Let it install. And once it's installed, we just open up the app. And once you've opened up File Link, guys, this is where the magic happens. This is my own server, which we're going to connect to now. So the code that you need to input into there is 508-539-85. And just click next, guys, and click go. And there we go. On my own market, this is where you're going to find all my APKs, which I will keep up to date. In there, you are going to have the new terrarium. You're going to have IPv Vanish, Atom VPN for those that need VPNs. You'll have MX Player and the codec, the cleaners. Everything I use will be popped in here for you guys to use. And I will try my best to keep on top of this every week, keep them up to date. You have the new version of TTV, the new version of Cinema HD, Live Lounge, LiveNet, Jetbox, Megabox. They're all in there, guys. So guys, all you have to do within that market is just click the little download button and press the play and let it install. From there, it will install all the applications that you would like to install, and just let me know your feedback. Let me know what you think of them applications. If you feel like this video has helped you out in any way, just hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe. Drop a comment down below and don't hesitate not to message me. If you'd like to see anything new on this channel, just let me know and I'll get back to you. So thanks for popping by, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.